Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tuna healthy. Tuna is a convenient and protein-rich food, but it can be made even better for you with a few simple adjustments. We'll explore how to select the best types of tuna, what ingredients to add for a nutritional boost, and how to enjoy it as part of a balanced diet. By following these tips, you can transform your tuna dishes into truly wholesome meals. When choosing tuna, consider varieties like skipjack or can-light tuna, as they typically contain less mercury than albacore. This makes them a better choice for more frequent consumption. Also, selecting tuna packed in water instead of oil can significantly reduce the fat and calorie content of your meal. Always check the label for sustainability certifications to make an environmentally conscious choice. To boost the health factor of your tuna, swap out traditional mayonnaise for healthier alternatives like Greek yogurt or mashed avocado. These provide creaminess without the added saturated fats. Load up on fresh, finely chopped vegetables such as celery, carrots, or bell peppers for added fiber and nutrients. A drizzle of extra virgin olive oil or a squeeze of fresh lemon juice can also elevate the flavor and nutritional profile. While tuna is nutritious, it's important to manage your intake due to potential mercury exposure. For most adults, enjoying 2 to 3 servings of light canned tuna per week is a good guideline. A typical serving is about 3 to 4 ounces or 1 standard small can. Remember to vary your protein sources throughout the week to ensure a broad spectrum of nutrients and minimize reliance on any single food.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.